Well, I just wanted to give you all an update. It's about Tuesday. Sun's up here in Corpus Christi, Texas. Everything looking pretty good, and I'm just heading out to go see Donald Trump. Donald Trump's coming to our area, and so I'm just gonna go see if I can maybe get a word with him or shake his hand or something. So I'll keep you posted.
Oh, it's gonna be a long walk. We need to walk from like HEB and Taco Bell. Oh my god.
From HEB?
So a lot of people walking from HEB because you can't park up there where it's happening.
Well, as y'all can see, we're headed towards Donald Trump. He's at a emergency ambulance area talking to our Corpus Christi leaders, but as y'all can see, I'll stop walking for a little bit. There's tons of people here. You can hear the cheers from the crowd. I think Donald Trump is just about coming out. The crowd. I think Donald Trump's addressing the crowd. It's getting pretty hectic around here. Police need to slow down. Police, slow down, man. I'm just walking here. I'm just walking here. You can hear the cheers of the crowd. It's hard to get in there. There's thousands upon thousands upon thousands of people here. Short notice, I don't think he let anybody know that he was gonna be here. But like I said, this is about literally 2 minutes away from my house. As you can see, Donald Trump has his security team on the roof, on the ground. Thousands upon thousands of people here today. Donald Trump, Corpus Christi, Texas.